The concepts covered are: congruence of plane figures, congruence among line segments, congruence of angles, congruence of triangles, criteria for congruence of triangles, congruence among right-angled triangles. Congruence. Two figures are said to be congruent if they are exactly of the same shape and size. The relationship between two congruent figures is called congruence. We use the symbol for congruent too. In the case of 2D shapes, the two shapes will be congruent if they have the same shape and size. You cannot bend, stretch or twist the image. Congruence among line segments. Congruence among line segments. Two line segments are congruent if they have the same length. Thus, line segment PQ congruent to line segment RS as PQ equals RS equals 6 cm. Congruence of angles. Two angles of the same measurement are congruent, and if two angles are congruent then their measurement must be the same. Here, angle R congruent to angle Q. Congruence of triangle. Two triangles are congruent if they are copies of each other, and when superposed they cover each other exactly. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF have the same size and shape. They are congruent. So we would express this as triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. This means that, when we place triangle DEF on triangle ABC, D falls on A, E falls on B and F falls on C, also falls along and falls along. Corresponding angles, angle A and angle D, angle B and angle E, angle C and angle F. Corresponding vertices, A and D, B and E, C and F. Corresponding sides. Hence, 3 sides and 3 angles are the 6 matching parts for the congruence of triangles. Criterion for congruence of triangles. 1. SSS criterion side. This criterion says that the two triangles will be congruent if their corresponding sides are equal. If side AB equals DE, side BC equals EF, side AC equals DF, then, triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. Example. Two triangles, ABC and PQR have been drawn such that AB equals 3 cm, BC equals 4 cm and AC equals 5 cm. Also PR equals 5 cm, QR equals 4 cm and PQ equals 3 cm. Check whether the two triangles are congruent or not. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equals D equals 3 cm, BC equals F equals 4 cm, AC equals DF equals 5 cm. This shows that all the 3 sides of triangle ABC are equal to the sides of triangle DEF. Hence, with the SSS criterion of congruence, the two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. SAS criterion. This criterion says that the two triangles will be congruent if their corresponding two sides and one included angle are equal. If side AB equals D, angle B equals angle E, side BC equals F, then, triangle A, triangle DEF. Example, in triangle JKN, JK equals not and AK is the bisector of angle JKN, then 1. Find the 3 pairs of equal parts in triangles JKA and AKN. 2. Is triangle JKA congruent triangle NKA? Give reasons. Is angle J equals angle N? Give reasons. 1. The 3 pairs of equal parts are JK equals not, given. Angle JK equals angle NKA, Ka bisects angle JKN. AK equals AK, common. 2. Yes, triangle JK a congruent triangle NKA, by SAS congruence rule. 3. Angle J equals angle N, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. ASA criterion. ASA criterion says that the two triangles are congruent if the two adjacent angles in one included side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles in one included side of another triangle. If angle B equals angle B dash, side BC equals F, angle C equals angle C dash, then triangle ABC congruent triangle A dash B dash C dash. Example, in the following pair of triangles figure, the measure of some parts are given. Verify if the two triangles are congruent. In triangles ABC and EFG, given AB equals F equals 5 centimeters, angle A equals angle E equals 50 degrees, angle B equals angle F equals 40 degrees. Therefore, by ASA congruence condition, triangle ABC congruent triangle EFG. RHS criterion, right angle hypotenuse side. RHS criterion says that the two right-angled triangles will be congruent if the hypotenuse in one side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding hypotenuse in one side of another triangle. If right angle B equals angle E, hypotenuse AC equals DF, side BC equals F, then triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. Example, in figure, PQ equals PS, PQ perpendicular to QR and PS perpendicular RS. I, is triangle PQR congruent triangle PSR? Y. 2, is QR equals RS? Y. In triangle PQR and triangle PSR, we have PQ equals PS, given. Angle PQR equals angle PSR, both are right angles. PR equals PR, common side. By RHS congruence condition, we have triangle PQR congruent triangle PSR. 2. Yes, QR equals RS, because they are corresponding parts of congruent triangles.